Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Greetings of the day. I am Bhagyajothi holding USN 1B 20CS021, pursuing 6th semester in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today in this session we will learn how to execute a program in Lex and YACC. The Lex stands for lexical analysis and YACC stands for yet another compiler. So now let us basically learn how to execute a program. Here is the information about creating a symbol table. We can create a symbol table using Lex and YACC. Lex and YACC program basically scans source code file and generates a symbol table which stores information about variables, functions and other identifiers used in the code. Now let us see the program which we are going to execute. This is the code for the Lex program. The Lex program basically consists of 3 parts: definition part, rule part and subroutine part. Lex is the program that generates lexical analyzer. It is used with YACC parser generator. The lexical analyzer is a program that transforms an input stream into a sequence of tokens. It reads the input stream and produces the source code as output to implementing the lexical analyzer in the C program. As I told before, the definition session includes declaration of the constant, variable and regular definitions. The rule session defines the statements of on P1, that is action 1, to Pn, that is nth action. P describes the regular expression and action 1 describes the action, what action the Lex analyzer should take when pattern Pn matches a lexem. Lastly, the user subroutine as the auxiliary producers needed by the actions. The subroutine can be loaded with the lexical analyzer and compiled separately. Now let us see the program code for the YACC function. Here is the program code. YACC basically generates an LALR1 parser for language L from the production, which is a bottom-up parser. The YACC input file is divided into 3 parts. The first one is definition part, second one is the rules part and third one is auxiliary routine. The definition parts include the token number or token IDs. YACC automatically assigns number for token, but it can be overridden by the another token. Next, the rule part consists of grammar definition in a modified DNA form. Lastly, the auxiliary routine part is only C code. It includes function definition for every function needed in the rules part. The main function must call the function YYParse. YYParse is the function used to call the another function. Next, here is the program statement. Basically, this part defines what to be printed in the output and it asks the user for some input. According to the input, the program executes and views the required output. In this, we can see that we have used the printf statement. One of that is the symbol table which will be printed, and after that we have to give the input to it to get the required output. Now next we will see how to compile and run the program. There are some steps. Firstly, we have to save the lecture code in the file named symbol_table_lex.l. Then for a YACC program we have to save it as symbol_table_YACC.y. we have to save in this form only to run the program without errors. Then we have to open a terminal and navigator to directory which contains a file. Compile the lexer and parser using the following commands. The commands are lex symbol underscore table underscore lex total, and for YACC we will use -d symbol underscore table underscore YACC.y. Here symbol table is the file name. We can give as our file name as our wish. And the third command is gcc lax.yy.c.tab.c, which is the last command while executing the program. After running that, we will get we have to give another command to get the final output, that is /file name. Now you can enter symbol definition in the following format, that is the format is identifier followed by the number. Here we can see the example. Firstly we have given the identifier, then the number. After entering the input, that is after when we execute, it asks the user to give the input. So we have to give the input, then we have to give some other commands which has been showed here. After entering the input, the program will generate and display the symbol table. The symbol table will be like this, what is been shown in the slide. A name followed by my word followed by the type is 1. The name is identifier and the type is numerical. This example demonstrates how to use Lex and YACC to create a simple symbol table generator. It scans the input from identifier followed by a number enclosed in the curly braces and adds them to the symbol table. So that is all for today's session. This is how we can execute or run a program in the Lex and YACC. Basically it is also the type of compiling in the C. So thank you for watching the video. Do like and share the video.